To send Bitcoin on the UK Cash app, start by opening the app and tapping the banking tab at the bottom left corner of the screen. From here, select Bitcoin and then tap the send button. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address, which can be found in their Cash app or any other Bitcoin wallet they use. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, either by typing it in manually or using the camera to scan a QR code. Make sure to double-check the recipient's address and the amount you are sending to avoid any errors. Before confirming the transaction, review the details carefully, including the recipient's address, the amount of Bitcoin being sent, and any applicable fees. Once you are satisfied that everything is correct, tap the Confirm button to complete the transaction. It is also important to note that sending Bitcoin on the Cash app requires a minimum balance and may be subject to certain fees and limits. To avoid any issues, make sure your account is verified and you have sufficient funds in your Bitcoin wallet. Additionally, keep in mind that Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, so it is crucial to ensure that you are sending to the correct address. If you are unsure about any part of the process, consider seeking guidance from the Cash app support team or a financial advisor. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely send Bitcoin on the UK Cash app. Remember to always prioritize security and caution when working with cryptocurrency to protect your assets and avoid any potential risks.